Question 23. A train travels between two stations. The distance between the station is 220 kilometers. Correct to nearest kilometer. This is upper bound, lower bound question. Okay, and the speed of train is 125 kilometers per hour. Correct to 5 kilometers per hour. Calculate the upper bound of the time. So speed is equal to distance over time. Therefore, time equal to distance over speed. And you want to calculate the upper bound. Yeah. Question asks for what is the upper bound. Okay. Upper bound, when you need to divide, then that's equal to upper bound. You divide it by lower bound. So you calculate the upper bound nearest kilometer. So it's 1 over 2 equal to 0.5. Upper bound at equal to, okay. So you take the distance. Upper bound is equal to 220 plus 0.5. That equal to 220.5. And then the speed, you need the lower bound of the speed, which equal to, you take 5 over 2, that equal to 2.5. See? So it's 5 over 2 equal to 2.5. So 125, you minus 2.5, that's equal to 122.5. Okay. So upper bound of the time is equal to 220.5 over 122.5. You calculate, should get 1.8 hours. So change to hours and minute. So 1.8 is 1 hours, and 0.8 you times 60, you get 48 minutes. So that's all. So remember, practice is the key, and good luck with your studies. And if you feel that this video helped you, and please subscribe, and I'll see you again. Bye-bye.